Welcome to Mathematics with Suleiman. I'm still discussing the Gauteng prelim paper of 2025, and in this question I'm going to look at Euclidean geometry. Gauteng Province Preparatory Examination 2025, paper 2, question 9. In the diagram below, CD is the diameter of the circle with center O. E is a point on the circle such that DE is produced to G. OE, OG, CE, and CG are drawn. So let angle OEC be X and angle COG be 90 degrees. Please have a good look at the drawing, fill in what is given, and then take it from there. Right, question 9.1. Prove that OCGE is a cyclic quad. I've demarcated OCGE in red. Now always remember, when is a quad a cyclic quad? There are different situations. Let's see which one is applicable here. O1 is 90 degrees, as we all can see. Angle CED is also 90. That's angle in a semicircle. Therefore, CEG is 90 because they are adjacent angles, or you can say angles on a straight line. So therefore, O1 equals to angle CEG, and that makes OCGE a cyclic quad. Why? Because they have equal inscribed angles subtended by the same chord CG. 9.2, name with reasons 3 other angles equal to x. And in my animation, I will show that. So G1 equals to E2, that is x. Reason, angles in the same segment. C1 equals to E2, also x. Angles opposite equal sides, or the radii are equal. And then G2 equals to C1 is also x, angles in the same segment. Question 9.3, determine the size of angle DOE in terms of x. If you look at DOE as shown with the red lines, then DOE is the central angle, and then DCE is the angle in the opposite segment. And we know the theorem that central angle is twice the inscribed angle. So therefore O3 is twice x. Thank you for watching Mathematics with Suleiman. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Remember, subscription is free, and with your subscription, it can help me and encourage me to do more videos.